This video will introduce how to make an AAA battery that can be charged quickly and has an unlimited cycle life. Supercapacitors are used here to store electrical energy. The charging speed of the supercapacitor is very fast and it can charge and discharge hundreds of thousands of times. Connecting two supercapacitors in parallel can increase the capacity for storing electrical energy. Using a real AAA as a model, adjust the length of the two capacitors in parallel to make the length slightly shorter than a real AAA battery. Then solder the two supercapacitors together and cut the lead length. Use two small wooden strips as the holder of the two supercapacitors. And use a knife to cut off the extra part of the wooden strip holder. Use hot melt glue to fix the two wooden strips. The positive and negative pins of the supercapacitor are led out with wires. Use the lid of the can to make the positive and negative contacts of the battery. Cut out a round iron piece of appropriate size with scissors and polish it with a file. In addition, the round iron piece of the positive electrode needs to be beaten to form a bump. Connect the two round iron pieces to the positive and negative leads of the capacitor respectively. Use a section of heat shrinkable tube to wrap and protect the battery. Heat it and make it shrink completely. And finally use scissors to subtract the excess part of the heat shrink tube. This is how a DIY AAA battery is made. Its size is basically the same as a real AAA battery. Now charge the battery. You will find that there will be a larger charging current at the beginning, and then the charging current will continue to decrease. When the charging current drops to 0, the battery is fully charged. The charging speed is very fast. In fact, this is the characteristic of the charging current when charging a supercapacitor. Use a fully charged battery to drive a small motor, and the motor really spins. It can drive a small motor like a real battery. It can even be charged with a NiMH rechargeable battery charger. This AAA battery made of supercapacitor has three characteristics. One is fast charging speed. The other is almost unlimited cycle life. Third, it is environmentally friendly and pollution-free. However, this battery has a relatively small capacity and is not suitable for electrical appliances with high power consumption. It is suitable for electrical appliances with low power consumption, such as TV remote controls. This remote control requires 2 such batteries. The remote control with this battery can control the TV as usual. Thanks for watching. Welcome you to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.